In the heart of an ancient forest, where trees whispered secrets, and the moon shone with a knowing smile, there lived a wise old owl named Oliver. His feathers were as gray as the twilight, and his eyes held the wisdom of the ages. Oliver was not just any owl. He was the guardian of knowledge, the keeper of tales, and the advisor to all creatures great and small. His words were as revered as the sacred texts, and his counsel sought by all. One crisp autumn night, as the leaves danced their final waltz, before winter's slumber, Oliver called the forest to his tree. "My dear friends," he hooted, "the time has come for me to share my last lesson." The animals gathered, their hearts heavy with sorrow. The foxes ceased their cunning, the rabbits paused their hopping, and even the crickets held their chirp. Oliver's voice was soft but clear. "The greatest wisdom," he began, "is not found in the stars or the stones, but in the hearts of each other. For every creature you meet is a book, waiting to be read." The animals listened, their minds racing with thoughts. "But how do we read these books?" asked a young deer, her eyes wide with curiosity. "With kindness, my child," replied Oliver, "for kindness is the key that unlocks the stories within us all. It is the light that reveals our fears, our dreams, and our love." The night grew still as Oliver's words settled like dew upon the leaves. "Remember," he continued, "to listen with an open heart, speak with gentle words, and act with generous hands. And now," Oliver concluded, "I leave you with this. Let the forest be your library, and every day read a new page. For in each other's stories, we find our own." As the first light of dawn peeked through the trees, Oliver's eyes closed for the last time. But his final words echoed through the forest, changing the hearts of all who heard them. From that day on, the animals of the forest lived by Oliver's teachings. They shared their stories, helped one another, and found joy in the simple act of being kind. Oliver's last lesson taught the forest that wisdom is not just about knowledge, but about the connections we make and the kindness we share. It's in the stories we tell and the lives we touch that we truly learn.